Okay. Throw it up, Dakota. Huh? Dakota, no? No? Not so close to the water, okay? Okay, come over here. Get these birdies. Good job. There they come. You throw it down, they'll come to you. You throw it. Get the bread. Not by the water. Don't get too close, okay? Go get some bread from Grandpa. Papa bread. Papa bread. Where's Lucian? Come on. Hold hands. Hold hands. Okay. Come on. Oh, your hands are cold, huh? Look how red they are. Yeah. You want some bread? Cody, want to throw some bread? Get the birds. Throw it to the birds. Throw it. There we go. And they got it. Some more. Throw it in front of her. Oh. Then throw a pile in front of her. You're gonna You hear Ducky? Honk, 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 honk. Not by the water, Dakota. Stay over here, okay? No, that's enough. Come back this way. Good girl. There we go. Now it's time to go on to the playground. Dakota, look. Say cheese. Okay. You gonna sit on that one? Okay, sit down. Can you sit down? No, like this. Right. Sit down like this. Oh, there we go. Oh, hold on. Okay, let Grandma stop.